Okay, this is the homework for Paul McWhorter's Raspberry Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi series that he has on YouTube. He did show us how to do the matrix and how to, you know, identify places on a matrix so that we could display a bit. In other words, I could put one over here, over there, just by changing the rows and the column numbers. Now with this software, I set up the frame byte. So it knows it's dealing with a frame of 8 by 12. And then I set up the current row and current column, which I set up at 0, 0. That's where I'll start. Then I've got a new column, a new row, just for definition. And then I set up the delta to be 1, and delta column and delta row to be 1. Now here's where I actually set the frame for the current row, current column, which happens to be 1 and 1. Then we actually render it right here. Next starts your little bit up in the upper left-hand corner. Okay, now get down here to the loop. I set the new column equals the current column plus the delta column. So that way, the current column, if there's a new one, the new will equal the current column plus the delta, which is plus 1. Okay, the same thing for the row. Now, if you go to here, the first two sections, this one defines where it's going to change the sign of the delta. And if it hits 12, it'll change the sign. And if it hits 8, it'll change the sign for the row and for the column and for the row. Now down here, it will actually implement that. Say a new column like current column plus the delta column, and it just keeps doing that, and it bounces around. Okay, then we got here's where we actually clear the display, and then we add the new row equals a new row, and then we display it. Okay, let's run this guy. If you look at it, you'll see that it started up in the upper left-hand corner, and it started bouncing around. So, yeah, it looks pretty good. Anyhow, that's my homework, and I appreciate you doing these videos, Paul, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Bye.